Welcome to the DevCentral tutorial on configuring Windows Live Writer to operate with DevCentral. We are not going to go through the steps to download Windows Live Writer. It is free software available from Microsoft. You can go out and download it. We will show you how to set it up so that you can write articles that show up in the Tech Tips section of DevCentral and post them through Windows Live Writer. So the first step is to go into Blogs and choose Add Blog Account. Choose Other Blog Service because we want them to go to DevCentral, not to one of these other services. And the web address of your blog is http devcentral.f5.com/metapost.ashx. Your username and password are your DevCentral username and password. So for me, it's dmcvidy, and no, I'm not going to tell you. If you want to remember, if you want to be able to do posts without entering your post password, check remember my password. If you want to have to enter your password every time that you do a post, then leave that unchecked and it will prompt you every time you say post to enter your password. Click next. The blog provider is MetaWeblog API, and the script is the same URL with question mark key equals news articles at the end. So it's http devcentral.f5.com metapost.ashx question mark key equals news space articles. Hit next and it will go out and query and give you a list of the ones out there. If you are a DevCentral user in China posting to DevCentral China in the Chinese language, then the second one is the one you want to choose. Otherwise, choose Docs and Tips and click Next. Most of you will want Docs and Tips. This Docs and Tips is the core article repository for DevCentral, so everywhere you see tech tips on DevCentral, that is the Docs and Tips repository. It's going out and it's querying for information. Now it asks you, would you like to allow Writer to detect the theme of your blog by publishing a temporary post? This doesn't work in MetaWeblog at this time, so choose no. Otherwise you'll just be wasting your time and get an error message. And then it asks you for a blog nickname, and we will name this DevCentral Cool Docs. And I switch to this blog now checked so that it automatically takes us to the blog to that blog so we can create an entry. It's not really a blog, remember that. We're just using a blogging tool to write for it. Click Finish and it takes you there. Now if you look under blogs, DevCentral Cool Docs is chosen, and if you want to see that you're really there, there's a huge category list for DevCentral. This list is actually bigger than the one you will see because as soon as the DevCentral 4 dependencies are gone, we're going to get rid of some of these categories that are no longer useful. At this point, you are ready to publish. You can start writing a post by entering a title or beginning to write the text. You can preview it. You can set the categories. Do not choose Set Publish Date. It doesn't work correctly in the MetaWeblog API at this time. And that is it. You are ready to start writing excellent articles for F5 DevCentral. We're looking forward to seeing your articles posted. When you click publish here, it sends us an email to tell us that there's an article awaiting approval. Someone on the team will hop on it, take a look at it, and make sure everything is well. So if you don't hear from us in a couple of days, you should probably ping someone on the DevCentral team, and our email addresses are available on our About the Team pages. Again, thank you for your interest in contributing, and please send us articles. We're more than happy to publish your work and get you the recognition you deserve and help make DevCentral even better.